Hello, this is GIS Insight on Allied Geospatial. Today we're going to look at how to insert and customize a scale bar in ArcGIS desktop. So basically we're just going to look at how to insert this and how to customize it, alright? So go to insert and then you go down to scale bar, and then we're using the metric system, so you don't bother yourself with the mouse, even though you can also still customize it. But you just go down to the metrics, select the scale bar of your choice, and then you click on OK. Now this has been inserted, so let's take it up here, and then I still ended up with the mouse. No worries, we'll customize it. So you right click on this and go to properties, and on the properties you change this miles to kilometers, and then either you want to show one division before zero, it's totally up to you, depending on what you're working on, depending on what you're doing. It's your choice. Now when resizing, you use the number of divisions. All right, now there's also adjust division and division value, but let's use number of divisions, and then they are giving you the division value. Whatever you input here will reflect on the way this goes. We have 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, like that. So it depends on what you're looking for. If you want to short it, let's say 25 kilometers, now you will see how it goes. It's now saying 12.5, 25, 50, 75, 100. So this is how you can easily customize your scale bar. So you check these details and see which one that suit. You can come here, check whatever you have here, and then look at if there's no need for anyone format. But basically this is where most of these magics are done. So you twerk around here to get the result that you desire. So thank you for coming to this video, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and I will see you in the next video.